Ever tried taking a close-up photo of a flower, insect, or tiny object, only to end up with a blurry mess? That's where great macro photography makes all the difference. The right smartphone can reveal details most people never even notice. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best smartphones for macro photography you can buy right now. And trust me, the number 1 pick captures details that are simply incredible. Let's get started. Number 5. Google Pixel 9 Pro. Google continues to prove that smart software can produce amazing results. The Pixel 9 Pro uses its 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera for macro focus, allowing you to get extremely close to subjects while maintaining impressive detail. What makes this phone stand out is Google's image processing. Colors look natural, textures remain realistic, and dynamic range is excellent. Even challenging scenes with bright highlights and deep shadows are handled surprisingly well. The autofocus system is fast and dependable, making it easier to photograph small moving subjects like insects. You also get Google's powerful editing tools, which make enhancing macro photos quick and simple. For users who want point-and-shoot simplicity with consistently great results, the Pixel 9 Pro is an excellent choice. At number 4, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most versatile camera phones available today. Its advanced quad camera system includes a high-resolution ultra-wide camera that performs exceptionally well for close-up photography. Tiny textures, flower petals, and detailed surfaces appear sharp and vibrant. Samsung's processing adds strong contrast and rich colors that immediately stand out. The phone's large display is also a major advantage when composing macro shots, because it helps you see small details more clearly before pressing the shutter. Optical image stabilization helps reduce blur when shooting handheld, while Samsung's AI-powered scene optimization automatically adjusts settings for different subjects. If you want one phone that excels at macro photography, while also dominating almost every other photography category, the S25 Ultra is hard to beat. Number 3. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This smartphone was clearly designed with photography enthusiasts in mind. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a powerful camera system, developed with advanced optics that deliver outstanding image quality across multiple focal lengths. For macro photography, detail is where this phone shines. Fine textures, tiny patterns, and intricate surfaces remain impressively sharp. The camera also creates beautiful background separation, helping subjects stand out with a more professional appearance. Another major strength is versatility. Whether you're shooting flowers, insects, food photography, jewelry, or creative close-up compositions, the Xiaomi adapts extremely well. Its low-light performance is also excellent, allowing you to continue shooting when lighting conditions aren't ideal. For mobile photographers who enjoy experimenting and pushing creative boundaries, this is a seriously impressive device. At number 2, Vivo X200 Ultra. Vivo has become one of the biggest names in smartphone photography, and the X200 Ultra shows exactly why. Its advanced camera system delivers outstanding macro performance with excellent clarity and consistency. What really stands out is focusing performance. The autofocus locks onto small subjects quickly and accurately, reducing the frustration that often comes with close-up photography. Image quality is exceptional. Fine details remain sharp, colors appear realistic, and the camera handles difficult lighting conditions remarkably well. The phone also produces beautiful depth and subject separation, creating images that feel far more professional than typical smartphone photos. Perhaps most importantly, it's consistent. You don't need multiple attempts to get a great shot. The camera delivers reliable results again and again. For serious smartphone photographers, this is easily one of the strongest macro performers available today. But taking the number 1 spot, The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it comes to macro photography, very few smartphones are as easy and reliable to use as Apple's flagship. The iPhone 16 Pro Max uses its advanced ultra-wide camera to automatically activate macro mode whenever you move close to a subject. The experience feels completely seamless, but convenience alone isn't why it takes the top spot. Image quality is outstanding. Tiny textures appear incredibly detailed. Colors remain accurate and natural. Sharpness is excellent throughout the frame. And Apple's image processing does a fantastic job preserving detail without making images look overly processed. Whether you're photographing flowers, insects, food, jewelry, textures, or everyday objects, the results remain consistently impressive. So, which smartphone would you choose? The smart and reliable Pixel 9 Pro? The versatile Galaxy S25 Ultra? Or the iPhone 16 Pro Max at number 1? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, all product links are waiting in the description if you want to check current pricing and full specifications. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more camera and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.